Ito na, game 2, game 2. Purok 1 versus Purok 6. Solid ngayon ang Purok 6. Lumaro yung dalawang malaki nila. Si Kian Panagsagan, tsaka Eri. Si Ischoko. Agad, bigyan. Pag nanalo ang uno. Waiting na ang tres sa finals. Ngayon nakaisa ang Purok
7-0 in favor of the Saints. Espinali has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 7. Number 7, Kinaliwa, wala. Ang pamanin ng Bernie. Pass number 9, Lopez. Pass number 13, number 31. Pinigil number 13, still number 8. Number 8, Lumibot. Number 8.
walang count ni si Kian na.
Ano yun? Wala ng uno.
Number 10, Bars. No. Rebound na number 40.
Bebes, pass!
Still number 10. Number 10, talaga is number 10. Point zero. Wala na naman. Nakakuha number 9. Nakakuha number 14. Number 14. Point zero. Wala ulit. Rebound na number 14. Pass number 23. Number 23. Panagsagan. Wow. Pass number 30. Number 30. Point zero. Pass is good.
Sampakan nyo na agad!
Number 8 is Pinali, pass the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 14. Number 14, Bars. In and out. Power number 7. Pass number 14. Inigay number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7. 6.7 seconds to shoot. Pass number 28. Wala. Hindi na number 9. Olate, pass number 31, Cortez. Ramil Nicole. Espinali. Espinali has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 28, basket.
9-2, 9-2.
Number 9, Olate. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, pass number 31, number 31. Number 23, wala. Number 9, wala pass the rebound. Pinasal number 13, dito sa ilalim. Wala. Nakal ng goal, number 25. Post through. Alright. 7 through. Wala ulit. Rebound ng number 8, Spinelli. Pass number 7, Canales. Attacks, puts it up. Basket is good. Number 9, wala pa yung using screen pass. Number 30, pull step, basket. 30 seconds. Number 20, 10 seconds to shoot, fadeaway shot. Now running number 28. Now running number 31 still. Pinasay number 31. Puts it up. Wala. Now running number 28. Number 28, pass by Spinelli. Go! Ball.
11-6.
Number 10, Bars. Go! Rebound to number 32.
Please, please!
Pass to Palaksagan. Rise. Wala. Rebound to number 9. Ball. Basket is good. Second row, basket again. Number 7, pass the ball. Pass number 24, give it up. Wala. Rebound to number 23, Palaksagan. Pass number 9. Olave. Olave puts it up. Basket is good. Pass number 24. Number 24, pass number 29. Number 29, drives. Wala. Now number 30, pass number 9, Olave. Pass number 23, Palaksagan. Palaksagan, drives. Foul. Advanced substitution. Go, go. Second row, basket. Substitution.
Oh. Kaya mo si Manny.
Number 8, pass the ball.
Si Manny. Wala na ang asawa nun. Kaya mo si Jen.
Moves to the screen. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 7, Pinales.
Ha?
5 seconds to shoot. Number 8, pass to number 7. Pass. No. Rebound to number 23. Palaksagan. Pass to number 9, Olave. Olave, pass to number 7. Puts it up. Wala. Number 17. Wala. Number 71, offensive rebound. Denied. Rebound to number 8, Spinelli. Pass to number 10, Pinales. Pass to number 7. Number 9, pass to number 17. Now running number 7, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 13, pass to number 9. Bringing number 17, puts it up. Wala. Espinelli has the ball. Espinelli drives, puts it up. Basket.
16-8.
Number 7 puts it up. Wala. Rebound number 24, pass to number 7. Penales. Penales drives, lays it up. Wala. Rebound number 19, pass to number 17. Number 17. Pinasay number 7. Stepping on the line. Number 8 is Pinelli. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24. Wala. Out of pass. Stealing number 8. 1 minute 45. Espinelli. Stop and bar. 3 points.
Iba na lang.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9 bars. Foul. First row. Basket.
Sino ba ang Martin? Marvin? Marvin.
Second row. Basket again. Third row. Basket again and again.
Aba, ano?
Number 8 Spinelli has the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 7. Leading number 28. Number 28. Basket. 110 seconds. Number 9. Pass to number 23. Leading number 17. Leading number 18. Number 18. Leading number 17. Leading number 9. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Using the screen, pass to number 7, puts it up, wala. Rebound number 24, pass to Espinelli. 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 Pulling in number 29.
Not bad.
Foul. Was low. Basket. Seven low. Basket again. Number 10, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9 goes to the screen. Pass. 3 points.
Ganda, laro ngayon.
5 seconds. Clear. Number 8, Mars. No. Number 29. Number 8 is Pinelli. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass number 24. Wala.
Hindi, dikit ang ulo dito.
Pass
siya, maniwala ka.
number 21. Pass to Pinelli number 28. Pick ang sakit number 7. Number 7, Perales.
Ano? Mabilis at
Number 13. Pass number 9. Olave. Pass. No. Rebound ni number 24. Pass to Espinelli. Espinelli. Pass number 28. Puts it up. Wala.
Yung mga yun ang defending champion, ano?
Pass to Espinelli.
Yung mga yun ang defending champion.
Pass. In and out.
Huling liga, sila
Tatao pa
nag-champion.
ng maganda si ano.
Foul.
Maganda kasi.
Blue ball.
Nakukuha agad dito.
Number 21. Pass to Panagsama. Napoli. Espinelli. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Basket.
Sige pa. Oo. Ay, shot tayo pagka ano.
Official score 22-17. Pass number 21. Number 21. Bounce. Speeds. Puts it up. Basket is good. Espinelli attacks. Pass number 29. Number 13. 14 seconds shot clock. Pass number 9. What a play.
Mr. Pro pa, tapos kayo sa amin dito.
Number 29. 15
Kailan
seconds
pa?
on the shot clock.
Kailan?
Pass number 24.
Sabi.
Attacks. Puts it up.
Eh di kaya siguro tumarami sapatos doon.
Ha?
Kaya tumarami sapatos.
Meron na rin.
Nung ano eh, kadami-dami. Isang kwarto yata daw eh.
Wala pa daw, sabi ni ano.
Ah, meron na
Stock
sila.
lang yun.
Kaya nga.
Wala pa yung bago.
Number 20. Pass number 20. Pass it through. 3 points. Espinelli has the ball. Pass number 29, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 28, pass. Wala. Rebound to number 31, pass to number 9. Number 23, Panagsaga, pass to number 9. Number 30, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 21. Wala. Number 9, the offensive rebound, puts it up. Wala. Rebound number 29, pass to Espinelli. Espinelli speeds, attacks.
Lalim.
Number 32, basket.
12, 31, 19.
6 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 28, pass number 24. Number 24 puts it up. Basket is good.
Nakakalipisan.
Number 14. Hula.
Kaya nga, mas
Number 10, pass. 3 points.
sayang ang kulay ng buhok pag di naka 3 points. Ano, Edison?
Number 23, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Foul. Foul. Nagagawa ng bola. Pass to number 13, 10 seconds to shoot. Panagsagan, puts it up, wala. Number 8, Espinelli. Pass to number 20, denied. Pass to number 7, pass to number 9, wala. Number 8, Espinelli. Pass to number 24, number 24, too bad.
Dahil nila sana. Favorite.
2 points. Number 23, pass to Olarbe. Olarbe, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, pass to number 30. Bringing in number 23. Foul. Foul.
26.
Bombs. Inagaw ni number 24. Binigay kay number 14. Number 14 attacks. Still ni number 9. Number 9, pass to number 23. Wala. Nakuha ni number 10. Step in the line. Basket. Fast, no. Number 28 puts it up. Wala. Official score 33-26. Number 7 puts it up. Wala. Rebound ni Espinelli.
May pita pala eh. 33-26.
Espinelli has the ball, pass number 14, Triggy number 10, Triggy number 24, number 24 puts it up, too strong, nahuli number 9, nahuli number 13, number 13 pass na panagsagan, wala. Pass number 24, Casper is good. Official score 33-28. Lilima na lang ang lamang ng Purok Sayus. Number 9 attacks. Lays it up. Wala. Tawa ni number 14. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Wala. Pass to number 30. Pinigay. Pass good. (35-28). 7 points lead. Para foul. Number 10. Fires. No. Rebound number 23. Pass to number 9. Olarbe. Olarbe drives. Pass to number 7. Basket. 37-28 in favor of Purok Sayus. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to number 14, bars, no.
Tikmasa si Bagito eh.
Number 7, out of bounds. 7.2. Still number 28. Now number 23 puts it up. Basket. Espinelli drives. Denied. No. Rebound number 23. Panagsagan has the ball. Crossover. Bounce. Triggy number 7 puts it up. Foul.
May premyo diba?
Basket.
5,000.
Advanced execution.
Taglilibandahan. Kasama namin.
Second row. Basket. Substitution.
Bili na lang namin sa inyo. Outing na lang.
Still in number 9. Number 9. Bombs puts it up. Wala. Blackball. Pass to number 8. Espinelli. Number 10, Bars, no. Rebound din number 30.
Hindi ngayon nagpapawala ng 3 points sa Raymark ah.
Number 9, pass number 13, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Out of bounds. 25 seconds. Pass number 4, Bars, no. Rebound din number 9. 15 seconds. 10. Number 30, puts it up, basket. 5. 4. And at the first half.
43-28. Yung mga size.
Nelly
Third quarter.
takes. Foul.
Ay!
Single. Number 24 has the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7 puts it up. Wala.
Naglalaglagan na kung pwede.
Sinasabak na tayo ng Encantadia. Number 13. Number 10 has the ball. Pass to Espinelli, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Espinelli drives, brings it up, basket is good.
Mahirap magpushoot din yan.
Number 9, pass number 18. Goal! Binilagay number 18 drives, basket. Number 7, pass to number 24. Number 24 puts it up short. Rebound to number 13. Seconds to shoot. Number 23
Rapelo yata mo yan.
puts it up. Basket is good.
Ginamit middle initial. Pahiyang.
Number 8 Espinelli drives. Number 18, pass to number 30 is Choco. Basket.
Pure ball pala yun.
Pass to Olarne. Olarne to Panagsagan. Panagsagan to number 18. Bars. No.
Pasag sana ang may mas.
Still for number 30. Number 30 is Choco. Karnabilo yung violation. Number 10. Number 7, basket.
Pagod to sa Rayma. Hindi na 3 points eh. Hindi na 3 points.
Kaya pala papangalan nyo ng third.
Number 23. Esteban fires. No. Rebound is Spinelli. Pass to number 7. Number 7 fakes. Puts it up. Wala. Now wala number 10. Wala. Number 7. Now wala number 9 ang rebound. Stop and pop. No. Rebound to number 7. Pass to Spinelli. Espinelli drives, basket. Number 23 puts it up, basket is good.
Score.
Number 24 fouls.
Walang gana laro ng
51-34. 51-34 for Sayes. Second quarter.
51-34. Siyete lamang.
Wala. Espinelli derives basket.
Tinayin mo yun, naman mo din sa cellphone.
Number 9 attacks. Pass to number 18. Number 9 Alarme. Number 7. Still to number 9. Number 9 basket down.
Ano ba nangyari? Hatching ako ng hatching.
Basket.
Walang na timeout eh.
Matira mo yun, papag...
Espinelli bars no. Ten seconds to show. 5. Foul. Number 10 bars no. Number 28 basket. Official score 38-54, 56-38. Espinelli has the ball, using the screen. Puts it up, no. Not winning number 10. Black ball. Number 20, pass to number 10, bars, no.
Magaling nagsuot sa buwan ka ng mga review.
Number 31, pass to number 13. 14 seconds to shoot. Still number 28. Number 28, Panganiban. Number 23, pass at red, no. Save. Number 31, silly number 7. Number 7, pinasa number 10. Pinasa Espinelli. Pass. 3 points.
Madami ng kompete.
1 minute exactly. Number 13, pinigigil number 9. Number 9, pass. 3 points. 45 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 28, basket.
59 siguro. 59-43.
Pass to number 13, 15 seconds on the shot clock, 24 seconds remaining time. Pass to number 17, wala. Who's got the ball? Iwan ni number 14, 15 seconds. Go, number 8 again, basketball. Maraming salamat po sa ating SK Gagawad sa pagwalis ng gamo-gamo. Five seconds. Five. Walang Kay number 28, pinigil number 10. Grabe! Number 7.
Basta-
Pinasa kay number 30.
Hindi hato,
Wala.
bago mahigit
Number
10.
7.
Ang laka ng tao.
Pinalagay number 30. Puts it up. Wala. Rebounding number 8. Espinali nagmamadali. Foul. Number 10.
53-46.
Pass to number 7. Puts up a three. No. Rebound number 23. Pass to number 9. Olarbe. Pinasa kay number. Nice steal number 7. Number 7. Pinasa Spinelli. Binigay number 10. Basket. Number 9. Olarbe. 11 points din na lang para sa Sais. Binigay number 30. Wala. Nakuha na Espinelli. Puts it up. Basket is good. Tama.
Siyam pa pala, siyam. 59-50. Siyam na lang, siyam.
3 points to mga to, itong size.
8 minutes. 59-50.
10 seconds to shoot. 3 points.
12.
Number 8. Espinelli para sa 3. In and out. Nakuha rin number 28. Basket. Shoot na shoot. May kasama pang gamo-gamo. Sampu ang kalabangan ng Purok Sais. Binigay kay number 23, panagsagan. Binalik kay number 9, para sa 3. No! First got the ball lang, wala number 17, denied. Ang kalabangan. Number 8, Espinelli, has the ball. Using the screen, hesitation move, para sa 3. No! Nakuha ni number 9, out the pass to number 7. Wala, number 7, basket. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan.
12.
Number 10. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10, basket. Baba ulit sa 10 ang kalamangan.
10.
Number 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, attacks. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 10. Opia. Number 9. Pass to number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 30. Pass to number 17. 5 to shoot. Pass. No. Rebound to number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 14. Binigay kay number 10. Number 10 to rise. Denied. Pass to number 10. To number 28. Number 28 picks. Puts it up. Basket is good. Walo na lang ang kalamangan ng Purok Sais. Walo na lang.
Wawala.
Ano nangyari? Nagkakabantayan na. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7, nakalusot. Nakuha ni number 7. Binigay kay number 10. Number 10 lays it up. Wala. Pass to number 28. Denied. Nakuha ni Espinelli ang bola. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Using the screen. Hesitation moves. Attacks. Wala. Nagkaliparan. Kanino ang bola? Bumubo.
Pag 2 minutes yata, tigil.
Pass na muna ng Larbe. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Long 2. Basket. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan. Pass to Perales. Number 7. Attacks. Hinukat sa ilalim. Wala. Panganiban. Nice to rin number 31. Number 31. Nakuha rin number 30. Pass to Olave. Olave drives. Pass to number 30. Denied. Olave. Foul. Foul. Basketball. Second row, basketball in. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng Parok 6. Pass number 4, bars, no. Rebound number 23. Ten seconds to shoot. 5. Number 28, dire-diretso na sa number 28. Bringing number 29, tinanggayo ka kampe. Basket is good.
Pinanggakampi na eh.
Advanced substitution. Seconds to shoot. Nakuha ng number 29. Number 29, pinay-diretso sa number 29. Number 29 attacks. Basket! Gumalaw na lang ang kalamangan. Foul. Number 13. Pass to number 30. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 23 pa nagsagan. Bounce. Foul. Basket. Second row. Wala. Offensive rebound number 31. Number 31. Pass number 30. Escoco. Fires. No. Rebound number 7. Penales. Penales. Dire-diretso si Penales. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Panganiban. Wala. Rebound number 30. Ten seconds to shoot. Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Game 3 pa din, game 3.
Basket. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Basket. 49 seconds. Foul. Foul. Seven to 162.
Sham.
Steal. Nice to the left.
Game 2 pa, game 3. Panalo sa is.
Out of the building, winner, Park 6.